Okay, and we go to the presentation for a differential equation. And today I go to deliver the sum of the contents, introduction of differential equation, invention of differential equation, order and differential degree of a differential equation, formation of differential equation, ordinary differential equation, solution for that, methods for solving ordinary differential equation, real-time applications of a differential equation with some examples. And now we first go to the calculus. The calculus is the science of rate of change, was invented by Newton in the investigation of natural phenomena by using the differential equation. Many other system also the using the natural phenomena rate of change. For example, bandwidth utilization and TCP networks, acceleration of core, population increase, chemical change of some kind, locus of the football. These are the behavior captured by the simple differential equations. Next, the introduction part of the differential equation. A mathematical equation that relates a function with its derivative is known as a differential equation, and this represents the physical quantity and the rate of change. There are two relationship between the differential equation defines the relationship between the two derivatives and its function. Next, go to the history of differential equation. History of differential equation, where it is come from, who invented this, what is the background for this idea. This or we go to the study in this PDF. And origin of the differential equation, where it origin from means it was invented by English physicist Isaac Newton and German mathematician Gottfried Leibniz. And this subject differential equation have a recent article, the history of differential equation 1617 to 1950. That was a recent article for a differential equation. And next we go to the pictures for Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz. Left side is Isaac Newton and right side is a Gottfried Leibniz. And next slide discuss about how differential equation reacts in slope and rate of change. Rate of change reacts in slope. We know that slope is equal to change in y and change in x. This is average solution between the 2 points. But how do we find the slope at one point? At a one point there is nothing to measure. We go to the none other than the differential equation, because differential equation is used for the small derivatives with the small difference, and we goes towards the del y by del x, and we to calculate the slope at the point easily. And next, differential equation. What is differential equation? For some example, is a function with one or more its derivatives. And as an example, for some orders of differential equation. Order means we go to the next slide. Order of the differential equation, order and degree. Order is the highest derivative in the equation is known as the order, and degree is the highest derivative's power is the degree. Okay, we discuss later. And the formation of differential equation. Formation of differential equation from one equation. Let us take the family of straight line equation y equal to mx. We know that. And we differentiate the y is equal to mx, we get y dy by dx equal to m, and substitute m equal to y by x from the equation y equal to mx, we get dy by dx equal to y by x, and we forward the x into left side, we get x into dy by dx equal to 1, what equal to y. This is a differential equation of first order equation. It is a format of the one perfect equation. Next we go to the another example, family of curves. We know that the equation is y equal to a cos x plus b. Then we differentiating two times, because it has a and b, two arbitrary constants, so we differentiate two times and we get the equation by eliminating the arbitrary constant. How many times we eliminating arbitrary constant, how many arbitrary constant are there in the equation, we get that order of differential equation. By eliminating n number of arbitrary constant, we get an nth order of differential equation. And next, order and degree. This is the example, d cube y by dx cube minus d3 into dy by dx whole power 6 plus 2y equal to x square. Here the order is the highest derivative, and here highest derivative is a d cube y by dx cube, so order is 3, and that orders the highest degrees or the highest degrees power is 1, so we conclude that degree is 1. Okay, here are some example for a first order, second order derivative, or second order, third order, and here is the explanation of a degree. The degree is the exponent of the highest degree, we know that. And here is the example for a second degree first order, and we say that equation is it is first order second degree ordinary differential equation. It is the ordinary differential equation because we uses the only one independent variable, so it is an ordinary differential equation. If we include so many independent variable, it is for partial differential equation. We couldn't discuss the partial differential equation in the slide, so we move to the next slide. Solution of the differential equation. How we get the solution from the differential equation? It takes us only the variables, not the arbitrary constant or the coefficient. So we see only about the variables. Here is the example. And solution of differential equations of two types, general solution and a particular solution. Here is the definition for a general solution. General solution contains nth order, nth arbitrary constant. This is known as a general solution. Here is the example, y equal to a cos theta minus b cos theta. Here two arbitrary constants consist. So it is a general solution of differential equation. And here is the only one arbitrary constant, so it is not a general solution. We have n number of arbitrary constants, that's why we get a differential equation, general differential equation. Next, particular solution. We give a particular value for an arbitrary constant in a general solution is known as a particular solution. Here is the example for a particular solution. We give the particular arbitrary constant. We get a particular constant. So, example, in this A and B, we put a 3 and 2. So, it is a particular value. 3 is a particular value. 2 is a particular value. So, it is called as a particular solution. Okay, now we see about the solution of a differential equation by variable separable method. First, this method is only applicable for first order differential equation. Here is the, see here, dy by dx equal to f function of x and y. Any other function, any function is there, and first we separate x function and y function and product the x and y function, then we get the functions. Okay, suppose we write the equation by dy by dx equal to g into x is the x function, g is the x function, h is the y function. So we separate this as, and we divide and multiply the LHS and RHS into. Then the equation becomes this type, 1 by h of y dy equal to gx into dy. On integrating the equation, we get log y equal to log x square by 2 plus c. We get this is the general solution, and c, and we include the c, and that also the arbitrary constant. On integrating, we get a solution for a differential equation. This how we separate the variables from the differential equation is the given here. Differential equation, and this is the explanation of differential equation, one or more derivatives, and this when we can I use it, when I use it, this equations only. Dy by dx equal to the phi xy is a function, any other function f which contains x and y variables. So we all y terms are going to the dy side, and dx comes to the x side. So this is the separation of variables. How? And homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation is the first order differential equation is known as homogeneous differential equation. And first order the differential equation can be separable easily by this product rule. Then we solve the differential equation of homogeneous differential equation. And next we go to the application of differential equation. There are so many applications for the differential equation. Some are calculate the movement or a flow of electricity, motion of an object, to and fro like a pendulum, and to explain the thermodynamic concept and medical term. They are used to check the growth of diseases in a graphical representation. And we see about the elaborate section of Newton's law of cooling in the application of differential equation. That statement also tells the applications of a differential equation, because the word rate of change defines the differential equation. So we see the Newton's law of cooling definition. It states that the rate of change of temperature of an object is proportional to the difference between its own temperature and the orbiting temperature, that is the temperature of surroundings, it tells. And application of Newton's law of cooling using differential equations, we see in investigation we use to determine the time of death, we calculate the differential equation. And computer manufacturing, processor, cooling system, and solar water heater. We all are using solar water heater. Every house has a solar water heater. It is very real life application of a differential equation. And calculate the surface area of the object. We know that application. And solving the differential equation, discover the function. We discover the function y. And there are so many tricks to solve the differential equation. And the coming methods are solving the differential equation by the population, by in real life. Change is the only thing that does not change. So differential equations are very useful nowadays. In our world, things change, and describing how they change often ends up as a differential equation. For example, rabbits. We considered one rabbit. We have a more female rabbit. They give the birth small rabbit, grow faster and faster. The babies are grow faster, and they also give birth, and they also grow up, and they also give birth. This is the changes in our day-to-day life. So we calculate how the rabbits are born, in how many time, how the interval of time, by differential equation. The important parts in this differential equation is the population and water time. We considered population is n and the time is t. A growth rate is r. The population's rate of change. Population's rate of change is dn by dt. Let us imagine some actual values. The population n is, we imagine n is 100, and growth rate r is 0.01. Per week, one rabbit was born. Okay, for every current year, we get dn by dt. So 1000 into 0.01, we get 10 new rabbits per week. And it was easily calculated by the differential equation by specific time. And the population increase, and population increase, we get a more rabbits. And remember, the bigger the population, the more rabbits we get. I already told. So at instant we told that dn by dt equal to r into n, because growth rate into the population is given the rate of change. So this is the differential equation for the populations. And how the mathematics are powerful in differential equation, that in rate of change. Very super. Thank you very much.